In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run multiple Dropbox accounts simultaneously in Windows. Whether you're trying to manage both personal and business files or need access to different organizational accounts, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate multiple Dropbox accounts right on your Windows computer. Switching back and forth between accounts can be a hassle, but with these steps you can have your various Dropbox folders at your fingertips without breaking a sweat. So let's dive in and get started. First off, if you happen to have a Dropbox business account, you're in luck. Dropbox allows you to link a business account with a personal account, enabling you to sync both directly to your computer. This feature makes it incredibly easy to work with files from both accounts without any extra hassle. Now let's move to the detailed steps on how to set this up. Begin by locating the Dropbox icon on your taskbar. It's usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen, along with the other system notifications. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to click the small upward arrow to reveal more icons. Once you've found the Dropbox icon, go ahead and click on it. After clicking the icon, you'll notice your Dropbox interface popping up. Here, direct your attention to the top right corner where your avatar is located. Clicking your avatar will open a drop-down menu where various options are available to you. From the drop-down menu, look for and click on Preferences. This section is where you'll find all your account settings and options. It's a useful area that you may want to explore later, but for now our focus remains solely on linking another account. Once in Preferences, navigate to the Account tab. This tab is crucial as it contains all the account-related settings you'll need. If you've been using Dropbox for a while, this section might already look familiar. Now, here comes the key step. In the Account tab, there's an option labelled Add Account. Click on this. You will be prompted to enter the credentials for the additional Dropbox account you want to link. This could be another personal account or, as we mentioned earlier, a business one. Simply follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Once you've successfully linked the second account, both Dropbox folders will become accessible from your File Explorer. You'll notice that each Dropbox account has its own folder, making it extremely convenient to manage files separately, but within the same system interface. This setup not only streamlines your workflow, but also helps keep your professional and personal files organized and easily accessible. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to run multiple Dropbox accounts simultaneously right from your Windows computer. By following these steps, you can optimize how you manage and access your important files, saving time and reducing the need for constant account switching. Happy organizing and enjoy the seamless integration of your Dropbox experiences.